Hi, this is the topic about Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks was born in 1913 and she died in 2005. On the 1st of December 1955, riding home from work on a bus in Montgomery, Alabama, USA, she was asked to give up her seat. She said no. She was arrested and put in jail. She was asked to give up her seat by a white person because in 1955 no blacks were allowed on white buses. Many black people got angry that she was asked to leave the bus. A boycott was arranged. No blacks took buses in those days. They either had to walk or use horses. In November 1956, the court said it was illegal with black and white sections on buses. Happy about the ruling, blacks still did not have true freedom. What this means is that in 1956, the court said that all blacks and whites were allowed to take the same buses. The blacks were very happy for this ruling, but the blacks did not have true freedom yet. This is Martin Luther King, who is another hero that you are going to get to know a bit later on. The Civil Rights Movement. Civil rights movement in the 1950s and the 1960s. The fight for equal rights for black people. Rosa Parks was the person who started it. She is called the mother of the movement. Better lives than before for many blacks, but many were still poor.